and welcome to GHRC's NewsDesk. This is Sindhu Panikar back again with yet another episode. Headlines for the day. GHRC receives certificate of publication for imparting the best facilities. The kickstart of campus placements this year reaching great heights. An international guest lecture by Dr. Mukund Chorgade organized by First Year Department. Mimics and thematic training by Materialize Malaysia organized at GHRC. 2 days workshop on cloud-based interactive simulation and design. IEEE CS Students Chapter at GHRC and NSS Cell jointly organizes Cleanliness. Now, let's get into the news in detail. GHRC College of Engineering has received Certificate of Publication in 10 must-watch higher education institutes in Maharashtra organized by Higher Education World. The release of the ranking was declared on 4th October 2021. The certificate is given to the premier institutions imparting the best facilities for research, innovation, placements and entrepreneurship, which will help students and faculty members from all over the country in their educational journey. After the declaration of certificate, Dr. Sachin Untawale, the director of GHRC, congratulated all students, faculties and guided the faculties to uplift in the upcoming year. The next update is on the campus placements for 2022, which is a kick-off to a flying start and touched 680 plus offers within 1 month of the first phase of placement season. GHRC continued to be a trendsetter for campus placements in the region. Despite the fears of pandemic and economic slowdown, more than 20 multinational companies have already participated in the first phase of the campus selection process for the 2022 batch of engineering students. Although the companies have shifted to online mode for campus recruitments, this year also due to pandemic, yet GHRC has witnessed an increase in the number of companies participating in the campus placements, and as a result, GHRC has registered 680 plus offers within 1 month of start of placement process. Hearty congratulations to all the shining Raisonians. Top recruiters of the placement season were Cognizant, Capgemini, Accenture, DXC Technology, TCS, IBM, Hexaver Technologies, KPIT Technologies, Atos, Global, Mercedes, Principal Global and Infogain, which visited the campus. 201 GHRC students received the offer from Cognizant, which is the highest number of selections till date for the 2022 batch, and more are lined up. The next update is on the international guest lecture that was organized on 9th of October by Department of Science first year for all the 3rd, 5th and 7th semester students under the activity of International Relations Cell. The international guest speaker, Dr. Mukund Chorgade, President and Chief Scientific Officer, Think Pharma, United States, delivered the guest lecture on engineering your way to successful product delivery and development. Dr. Mukund Chorgade emphasized over discovery, development, innovative inventions, natural products and Ayurveda as a discovery engine. Dr. Chorgade, through his captivating presentation, presented scope of opportunities for engineers of all branches in the pharmaceutical field. He delivered on the role of engineers in upcoming research and innovation projects. He extended all his help in research and development endeavors at GHRC. Around 300 students of 3rd, 5th and 7th semester from various batches have participated, and the program was organized under the guidance of Dr. Bhavna Bhute, Dean First Year Department, and program was anchored by Professor Ekta Rao. Vote of thanks was given by Dr. K.A. Nandekar, member of IRO. A training session was organized on mimics and thematics on 1st October 2021. The expert for the session was Mr. Gagandeep Singh, Medical Application Engineering, Materialize Malaysia. The topics that were covered are design of a patent-specific mandible implant, simulating the osteotomy of the defect bone in mimics, and anatomy reconstruction of mandile in Materialize thematic creation of a curved mandile plate, fixing a vertebral STL. 8 students participated in the day-long training, which was conducted by Dr. Santosh Jaju, Dean R&D, GHRC. Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering has organized 2 days workshop on cloud-based interactive simulation and design by Mr. Swapnil Gaul, founder and director, Numerjon Technology OPC Private Limited, Pune, for 7th semester students of ETC on 8th of October through WebEx. On first day, the workshop started with introduction to my Tara NG and Tara NG Solutions, an introduction to high frequency design, followed by how to make circuits that radiates. On second day, the focus was on the introduction to wire antenna design and the design implementation and simulation. Introduction to planar and aperture antenna design and its design implementation and simulation, followed by advanced EM scenarios like MMO antennas, antennas for SG, wearable devices, bioelectromagnetics radar, and metamaterials and FSS. Around 133 students from 7th semester have made these sessions interactive. Dr. S.S. Salamkar, Dr. Dilip Chaudhary and Meenakshi Manjari coordinated and attended the workshop. The activity was conducted under the Center of Excellence, Signal Processing and Communication Systems under the guidance of HOD Dr. K.A. Akka. Cleanliness is not a matter of instinct, it's a matter of education. Like most great things, must cultivate a taste for it. A clean city starts from itself. A clean environment is an indicator of the progress of human beings with the mode of a clean environment and a prosperous sanitation around society. The IEEE, in collaboration with the National Service Scheme Unit of GHRCE, organized a Cleanliness Drive in GHRCE on 4th October 2021. And the members of IEEE CS chapter reported at the college campus at 10:30 a.m. taking proper precautions of COVID-19 guidelines. All the members went through a thermal scan and a proper sanitation was done before entering the campus. The program began at 11 a.m. by cleaning the corners of the campus. Team members armed with brooms and dustbins collected the garbage with great enthusiasm. The drive was concluded at 1 p.m. and the waste was properly disposed of in dustbins. The aim was to spread awareness about clean environment and sanitation and bring good practices to keep our surroundings clean. The drive consisted of activities like cleanliness campaign in the vicinity, aiming to instill the old and young with the importance of keeping clean, encouraging others to take proper sanitation of the surroundings. With that, we come to the end of the news. Until I meet you, this is Sindhu Panikar signing off. Goodbye.